Zaid is helping Mama to do the laundry. Move this one there. Okay. Mama will sit here, huh? Mama is filming Zaid, okay? Sige, put Baba's pants there. Big. You can do it. Sige. Mama will help you. Not yet, not yet. Oh, where's the detergent? Come. Choose which one you prefer.
Baba.
So many. Which one?
Baba.
Huh? That one? Oh, wait, this one. Well, you have to finish this one first. Okay? And this. Come here. What are you doing, Zaid? Why you brought your toy here? Baby, Mama, move your toy. Baby, Mama will put it down here. Move your hand. Move. Baby. Finish na. Oh, finish na. Lala, it stopped already. Oh, look, it's spinning now. Spinning. Zaid likes to play the water. Every time Mama is doing laundry, he is playing here. Because he wants bubbles. Enough na. Finish na. Oh, close. Sige na. Come here. Ay, enough na again. Slowly. Finished? Oh. Wait! Why the dinosaur is here? Close. Let's put them in Baba's bedroom. We'll hang them there, okay? Slowly, oi! Put it in Baba's bedroom. Let me, Zaid. Where are you? Too much toys. Okay, we'll hang them there. Thank you, Zaid. Thank you. Mama will hang them here. Okay? Thank you. Bravo. Mama is done hanging the clothes. Okay, let's go. Let's play there. Okay, let's go to the living room.